Give it up for Leticia. Shout out to her for sending in her request for this Igbo Name of the Day giveaway. So I asked Leticia to describe herself, right? And one of the things that she told me was that she likes taking walks in the park, just being in nature, listening to the sound of the leaves and things like that. So I came up with a really good Igbo Name of the Day for her. Kind of just like the mood of the way she kind of described things made me think of the name Chidumebi. Come on, say it with me. Chidumebi. Good. So, Chidumebi, or the short version of that word is also Dumebi, and I believe there's an Afrobeat song entitled that, Dumebi. So, Chidumebi. So I'm going to translate that name for you. So, Chi, in this context means God. It can mean a few different things, like your personal relationship with God or your guardian angel.